Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Apex Legends on Switch. First, download the game for free from the Nintendo eShop. Make sure your Nintendo Switch has enough storage, about 25 gigabytes, for the game and its ongoing updates. A stable internet connection is absolutely crucial for smooth online matches and connecting with your squad. You might also consider a Nintendo Switch Online membership for additional benefits and a better overall experience. Once the game is installed, dive into the settings to customize your controls. You can adjust sensitivity for both aiming and movement to find what feels best for you. Experiment with different button assignments to ensure optimal comfort during intense firefights. Don't forget to try out the gyro controls. They can offer incredibly precise aiming adjustments, giving you a significant edge in combat. Apex Legends features a diverse roster of unique legends, each with distinct abilities. You'll team up with 2 other players, forming a 3-person squad, to compete against 19 other teams. Your goal is to be the last squad standing. Loot for powerful weapons, protective armor, and essential healing items to survive. Always stay inside the shrinking ring to avoid taking damage and secure your victory. To truly excel, effective communication with your teammates is key. Utilize the intuitive ping system often. Spend time in the firing range to hone your weapon handling and master recoil patterns. Learning the various map layouts and common high-tier loot spots will give you a significant tactical advantage. Always adapt your strategy based on your chosen Legend's abilities and your team's overall composition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.